devoted to protection.
AMSOIL Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant is formulated and packaged specifically for all types of powersports equipment. It delivers excellent protection against boilover, freezing, corrosion, and deposits for up to 5 years, making it perfect for enthusiasts who want the ideal combination of protection and convenience. Protects hot-running engines. AMSOIL Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant's advanced design helps control operating temperatures in hot-running, high-revving powersports applications. Its ethylene-glycol formulation provides excellent heat transfer, helping prevent metal engine parts from overheating and expanding beyond tolerances. It provides boilover protection of up to 226 degrees Fahrenheit, 108 degrees Celsius, to keep engines protected in the toughest riding conditions. Keeps engines clean. Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant is pre-mixed 50-50 with high-purity water, eliminating the hassle of measuring and mixing fluids. Its robust anti-corrosion additives provide further protection against scale, deposits, and corrosion, which inhibit heat transfer and shorten component life. Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant helps keep engines clean and long-lasting. Long life formulation. Certain additives found in other antifreeze and coolants deplete quickly, limiting service life. Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant's extended life chemistry is borate, nitrite, and phosphate-free. It provides a long 5-year service life for reduced maintenance and maximum convenience. Excellent compatibility. Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant is optimized to protect the metals found in powersports cooling systems, including increased aluminum. In addition to aluminum, it is compatible with copper and bronze/brass alloys and most common hose and gasket materials. It helps prevent deterioration and leaks while demonstrating compatibility with most other coolants for added peace of mind. Mixing coolants, however, can make predicting freeze protection difficult. If mixing for top-off is unavoidable, we recommend flushing the cooling system at the next convenient opportunity. Protects against freezing. Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant is an all-season coolant, meaning it protects well in all temperature extremes. It provides freeze protection down to -34 degrees Fahrenheit, -37 degrees Celsius, for peace of mind in snowmobiles, UTVs, and other powersports equipment used in cold climates. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Powersports Antifreeze and Coolant today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and follow the Shop Now link. Join the Preferred Customer Program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.